In today's class, you have algebraic expression involving fraction. For example, you have x over 3 plus x over 4. To solve this expression, what do? You first find the LCM of the denominator. Check out my video on how to solve LCM. LCM of these two denominators is 12. Their LCM is 12, so you convert x over 3 to a common denominator using 12. So I'm going to change this to 12. So our 3 changes to 12. So what will be x? We'll say 12 divided by 3, that will be 4. 4 times x, that will be 4x. So our numerator becomes 4x instead of only x. Plus, remember our denominator becomes 12, which is the LCM. So this 4 has changed to 12 because that's the LCM. So our numerator is 12 divided by 4, which is 3. 3 times x is 3x. So we have changed this to their equivalent fraction, 4x over 12 plus 3x over 12. Looking at the denominator, since the denominator is the same, in our previous lesson, we learned how to add fractions with the same denominator. You simply, since the denominators are the same, what do? You add only the numerators. So if I add the numerator, it becomes 4x plus 3x is what? 7x. So you have 7x all over, our denominator will still be the same, all over 12. Let us look at the next example. 5a over 6 minus a over 2. So we find out their common denominator using the LCM. And the LCM is 6. So this, since it's 6, 6 divided 6 is 1. 1 times 5a is 5a. So 5a is still retaining itself. And for this fraction, the LCM is 6. That means the denominator becomes what? 6. So the numerator will become what? 6. The numerator will become 6 divided by 2, which is 3. 3 times a, 3a. So our numerator becomes 3a. So having gotten to this point, we have 5a over 6 minus 3a over 6. Since the denominators are the same, what do? You subtract the numerators. 5a minus 3a will give me what? It will give me 2a all over 6. 2a all over 6. But when you look up and down, you can see that 2 and 6 can be divided further. If 2 go into itself, 1. If 2 go into 6, 3. So our final answer will be a over. Our final answer will be a over 3. Meanwhile, have you subscribed to this channel? If you have not subscribed, kindly hit that subscribe button and like this video so that others can discover this video. If you have done that, thank you. Let's take a look at the next example. In this example, we have 2 brackets x minus 1 all over 3 plus x plus 5 all over 2. And remember, the first step is to what? To find the common denominator using the LCM. What we simply do is to find the common denominator using the LCM. The LCM of 2 and 3 is what? Find it. It is a 6. So this LCM is 6. That means the denominator changes to 6 for this. So what would the numerator be? Remember how to find the numerator is that you have to divide this denominator by the denominator. That's 6 divided by 3 will give you 2. 2 will multiply everything up. So that means 2 times 2 is there 4. 2 times 2. So that means 2 times 2 times x minus 1. So if 2 multiply 2, and we have here also, our denominator will change to 6. 6, and for us to find the numerator now, 6 divided by 2 will give us what? 3. 3 will multiply everything up. 3 times x plus 5. So looking at this, 2 is multiplying everything up. If 2 multiply 2, that will become 4. So I'm using 4 to multiply everything up. So here we have 4 brackets x minus 1 all over 6 plus 3 brackets x plus 5 all over 6. So we can now open the bracket by expanding it. 4 times x is what? 4x is equal to 4x. 4 times minus 1 is minus 4 all over 6. And here we have 3 times x is what? 3x. You can see I have transferred this our 4x minus 4 over 6, see it up. So let us expand this bracket, which is 3x, 3 brackets, x plus 5 all over 6. So 3 times x is what? 3x plus 3x. 3 times 5 is what? 15 plus 15 all over what? 6. So the common denominator is 6. Let me extend this bracket to be 6 all over 6. I'm using 6 because both of them have 6 as a denominator. Now we have we can now collect like terms together. 4x and 3x are like terms, minus 4 and 15 are like terms. So we have 4x plus 3x plus 15 minus 4 all over 6. So 4x plus 3x will give me what? 7x. 7x. 15 minus 4 will give me what? 11. So plus 11 all over 6. This becomes the final answer. Meanwhile, have you subscribed to this channel? Kindly subscribe and like this video. See you in the next class. Bye.